Today, I had a nice breakfast of bread and butter with a glass of milk. It made me so full and it's healthy as well. Friends, why do we eat food? Because we need energy. Just go for a day without eating food and see how your energy level drops and your enthusiasm fades and you feel dull and hungry. So I assume you also do a lot of work like playing, thinking, studying, etc., which requires energy. For that, we need food. Also, food is necessary for the growth of the body and to fight diseases as well. Food contains nutrients that give us the necessary energy we need. Now, big words are coming up like carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. We also have some smaller words like proteins and fats. These all are the nutrients that our body craves in the food we eat, but obviously in a balanced amount. Wait, what is this nutrients? It's simple. The constituents of food which help us for growth and maintain our life is called nutrients. Carbohydrates are the hydrates of carbon. Carbon, you know, right? It's an element. Carbohydrates are the energy-giving nutrients. Hence, we need a lot of them. You see, in this breakfast I had earlier, the bread's amount is greater than all others, right? Because it is a source of carbohydrates. So what should you have in a good amount on your plate? It's the chapati, which some of you might be avoiding, but really you shouldn't. You also should have rice, roti, bhakri and bread, as all these are good sources of carbohydrates. Do you know that cereals are a staple food? The staple food is the one that makes up the dominant part of a population's diet, and for India, cereals are the staple food. Cereals also include rice, not just dals, friends. Yes, it's confusing for some people to digest this information, including me. Wheat, rice, corn, millet, and a variety of other grains are all cereals. Let's move on to what I applied to the bread. It's butter. Butter, ghee, and oil are all sources of fats. Fats also provide us with energy. In fact, this can provide even more energy than carbohydrates. But still, we use carbohydrates as a primary energy source because gaining energy from it is a faster process as compared to getting energy from fats. But as fats are also a good energy source, we do store them for future use. Energy in food items is measured in kilocalories. Children of growing age need to get approximately 2000 to 2500 calories from the food they eat. Proteins are present in milk, meat, eggs, soya beans, milk products, etc. Proteins are involved in the growth and repair of a body, and cells also require them for the life processes going on. The inorganic element in our foods needed by our body to develop and function normally are minerals. Iron, calcium, phosphorus, iodine, magnesium, sodium, and potassium are all examples. Vitamins are organic compounds required by us in small amounts for normal functioning and development of our body. You might have heard that vitamin C is present in lemon or citrus fruits. It helps to enhance immunity. Vitamin A is good for your eyes and so on. We have vitamins A, B, C, D and K. Of this, K, E, D and A are fat-soluble vitamins, while B and C are water-soluble. To learn more about all the nutrients, what is a balanced diet, adulteration of food, stay tuned with us.